Welcome to N.O.U.R.Tube. Today we have a special book for you called On the Ball, Unleash Your Imagination. Should we begin? Owen loved playing ball, but playing ball didn't always love Owen. And then, one fateful day, Owen took his eye off the ball. When it escaped, it was up to Owen to chase it down and to get it back. It floated across a racing stream. Whoosh! Whoosh! Then Owen tracked it through tangled bushes, pouncy, pouncy, bounce. Then he flew all the way back on the field and into the game. And from that day on, floating, fierce and flying free, Owen always kept his eyes on the ball. The end.